Territory. Hello everyone, welcome back to RayyanWebHub. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new email list in RayyanMailHub Pro Territory. Email lists help you organize your contacts and make your email marketing campaigns more efficient. First, Territory. Open the email list section and click New Email List. Enter a name for your list and add a short description if needed. Territory. You can then import contacts from a CSV or Excel file or add them manually. RayyanMailHub Pro automatically validates email addresses. Territory. Removes duplicate entries and keeps your contact database organized. Once your list is ready, click Save to create it. Territory. You can now use this email list for newsletters, promotions, announcements, and automated email campaigns. Territory. Organizing your contacts into separate email lists helps improve campaign management, audience targeting, and email deliverability. Territory. That's how easy it is to create a new email list in RayyanMailHub Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, Territory, and subscribe to RayyanWebHub for more email marketing and RayyanMailHub Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching.